In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple pages on your card website. Now, as you can see, this is my card website over here. It's full of just random things for the sake of this tutorial. And if I just view it and open up in a new tab, as you can see, this is now all one big page over here, but I do not want this. I would like to have this on two separate pages. And you actually can add multiple pages inside a card website. And you can do this using sections. So right now you can see this is the first page, but if you'd like to add another one, what you can do is click on this plus icon, and then you want to click on Control down here, bottom right, and this is going to create a section break. So make sure it says section break. Now, by default, it's going to be placed at the very bottom, which means anything that's going to be added from now on is going to actually be added to a second page. However, you don't have to do this because you can just click on that and you can take it wherever you want. So for example, over here, and when I do this, this is now on the first page and this one is now on the second page over here. And if I show you this right now, I'm going to just publish these changes over here really quickly. There we go, view site. As you can see, now when it loads, there we go, this is now on the first page, and then this part over here is going to be on the second page. However, we must of course find a way to actually get to the second page as well, and the way you can do this is using these buttons over here. So the way you do it is basically you add in a button by clicking this plus icon, and then buttons, and you want to add in a button, you want to click on that button, and then here you want to select it, and where it says URL, you actually want to basically URL it to this very name of this section. So if it's section 01, that's what you want to put in. So for example, like this, section 01, or if you've named it, for example, like page 1, page 2, whatever, which I usually do, then that's going to be good as well, and you're going to have to put that in. So just put in the name of the section with a hashtag at the beginning, and make sure it is in here, and click on done. After you then publish your changes over here, and open up your website, you'll see that this is now working, and I actually have two pages on my website. So here's the first one, and here's the button to the second one. There we go, this is now the second page. So you can do this for as many pages as you want and create your website like this. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.